dyan, hatid ng kapulisan, BKG Online Awitan. Mapagudod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, BKG Online Awitan. Mapagudod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, BKG Online Awitan. Mapagudod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, BKG Online Awitan. Mapagudod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, BKG Online Awitan.
Been angry and sad about the things that you does it show again? Mama, I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Wow, wow, did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, even if I say bye bye, leave me now and never. Mamma mia, it's a game we play. Bye bye, doesn't mean forever. Mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Wow, wow, did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you go.
Ayan, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Kami po ang inyong makakasama sa 2 oras na kantahan at tugtugan. Dito lamang yan sa Pika G
Online Awitan. Yan, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Pa-like, comment, and share naman po ng ating online awitan upang marami pa po ang maabot ng ating kantahan ngayong gabi. Ayan. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, ako po ay magpapakilala ko po ang inyong lingkod, Patrolwoman Clarice Miraflor mula po sa Historical and Cultural Affairs Division ng PICAG.
Ako naman po ang inyong lingkod, Patrolman Jade Mariel Kilang mula sa Complaints Referral and Monitoring Center ng Police Community Affairs and Development Group. And of course, let us welcome our new member, of course,
yan
dito sa
talaga.
Pika G Artist. Yan, pakilala ka na, Ma'am May.
Hello everyone, ako po si Patrolwoman Resali Umalay from ICDD, Information and Communication Development Division. And hello po sa aming OIC ICDD po, Police Lieutenant Colonel Brenda O. Garcia. Hello
Mga ating mga live viewers, ayan. Meron po tayong live na bisita ngayong gabi. Ayan, syempre ang ating Chief of Staff na napaka-supportive. Actually, pumunta siya dito para i-check yung attendance talaga natin.
Yes, yan. Batiin
Ayan.
po natin ang ating Chief of Staff na live po na nanonood po
Yes.
ngayong gabi dito sa ating Pika G Online Awitan. Police Colonel Joel Ada, sir, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa Pika G Online Awitan po.
Ayan, syempre ang ating butihing Direktor, Police Brigadier General Marvin Joe Cesaro, ang aming DDA, si Police Colonel Joel Serrano, at syempre ang aming DDO, si Police Colonel Adonis Guzman. Syempre, babatiin ko ang aking Chief, si Police Lieutenant Colonel Veronica P. Peñalosa, sa kanyang pagpapahiram ng aming mikropono.
Ako, bago ko po makalimutan, ayan, nais ko pong batiin, of course, ang aming chief po dyan sa CRMC, Police Lieutenant Colonel Alex M. Apolonio, and our sa deputy naman po namin, Police Lieutenant Colonel Rodrigo Galino, ayan, shout out po. At sa lahat po ng CRMC family, ayan, magandang gabi and happy watching.
Yan sa ating mga live viewers, abangan po ninyo kasi ang ating bagong artist ay nag-ready talaga siya ng
Yeah.
kanya. Ilan yung kanta mo? 20, di ba?
20, siya na
Mga
ngayon.
50 po.
50!
Oh, yan. Siya po ngayon.
50 po ang songs na
na-
ni-ready po
Yes
ni
po, 50 po.
Patrolwoman
Para po sa
Umalay
inyo lahat yan.
para lamang po sa inyo. Ayan, kaya abangan po natin ang kanyang mga inihandang awitin. Kaya stay tuned lang at manood lamang po kayo dyan. Nahiya pa si Mate. Sige,
Binabati
go.
ko po yung mga ICDD family ko po dyan. Hello po sa inyo, magandang gabi po
Mga
sa
live
inyo.
viewers silang sinusuportahan si
Yes
Mate
po.
Umalay.
Thank you so much po.
Ayan, so hindi na natin patatagalin. Ibigay na natin kay Patrolwoman Umalay ang stage.
Stage?
Ayan.
Sige.
Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawala.
iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan, kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mo nalulumbay. Kaya't huwag sanang damdamin, pagkat ito'y payo lamang mula sa akin, kaibigan, na sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan, kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mo nalulumbay. Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawalan, nalilito ang tulad mo'y parang usok, unti-unting naglalaho.
Yan, thank you so much po. Sa mga sandaling ito po, nais po nating ilaan ang ilang saglit upang alalahanin at ipanalangin ang ating mga kababayan na labis na naapektuhan ng Bagyong Tino. Marami sa kanilang nawala ng tahanan, kabuhayan at maging ng mga mahal sa buhay. Sa gitna ng trahedyang ito, naway manatili sa atin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, malasakit at pag-asa. Inanyayahan po ang lahat na mataimtim na panalangin dahil biglang tanda po ng ating pakikiramay at pananalangin para sa ating kaligtasan at mabilis na pagbangon. Ama naming makapangyarihan, lumalapit po kami sa inyo ngayon upang ialay ang aming panalangin para sa aming mga kababayang nasalanta ng bagyo. Naway pagkalooban ninyo sila ng lakas, pag-asa at kaligtasan. Pagpalain po ninyo ang mga tumutulong ngayon at sa mga tumutulong pa. Hinihiling po namin ng mabilis na pagbangon ng bawat pamilya at komunidad. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa ngalan ng inyong anak na si Jesus. Amen. At binabati ko po yung family ko dyan po sa Mindanao, Davao del Sur. Hello po sa inyo dyan, pati sa mga friends ko po dyan. asal pero marami ang nakabarong. Lumakas man ang ulan ay walang bukas ang bubong. Mga plat syara na hindi kilala ang totoo. Bukain ang sunyot pinanggatas na nasa kahon. At kahit na hindi Pasko sa lamesa ay mayaman. Sarap siguro manirahan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila hindi tumuring matatagpuan. Tao na lang mamayari ng isang upuan na pag may pagkakatao ay pinagagawan. Kaya naman hindi niya pinakakawan. Kung makikita ko lamang siya ay aking sisiguan. Buwan na nakaupo, subukan niyong magtumayo. At baka matanaw, at baka matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Mawalang galang na po sa taong nakaupo. Alam ibang pantakal ang migas na minay-puno. Ang dining ng bahay na minapinatapit-tapit. Gero sa gabi ang sobrang init na tumutunaw na niya. Na di kayang bilhin yung pangilagay sa inumin. Pinakulong tubig sa lumang takaw rin uling-uling. Gamit na panggato na inanap lamang sa estero na nagsisilbing kusina sa umaga. Yamin ba huwag aking inay na may kayaman ang isang kalder na nagagamit ng pag-ang-aking ama at simel. Pero kulang na kulang pa rin, ulam na tuyot asin. Ang 50 pesos sa maghapit pagkakasyahin. Di ko alam ka talagang maraming araw kung mataas na ng bako doon nagbubulag-bulag. Lamang po kayo, baka sa dami ng pera nyo walang gusto na makapagpapalino ng mata nyo. Kaya huwag kang masyadong halata. Bato-bato sa langit. Ang matama ay huwag magaling. Bato-bato, bato sa langit. Ang matamaan ay huwag masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Yan, thank you so much po.
Mapagudod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan.
Ayan, napakagaling talaga ng ating bagong artist. Ayan, bakit ngayon
Thank
ka
you
lang
so
kasi
much.
may umalay? Matagal ka namin
Nagpatagal muna ako dun sa Mindanao.
Hindi,
bago
nag-practice
ako
ka muna mag-rap, actually.
Yeah, nag-practice muna ako bago ako
Ayan,
pumunta
sa aming
dito.
mga classmate, class Bagsikliab, magandang gabi po at syempre sa class SEMO class Manawari. Sa aming mga classmate dyan, ayan, na naandito na rin sa PKG Main, ayan, magandang gabi po. At syempre sa aking HCAD family, magandang gabi po. Binabati ko po pala rin ang aking family dyan sa Bicol. Marhay na banggi po sa Indogabos dyan, sa mama ko, sa papa ko, sa aking mga kapatid at sa aking best friend. Hello po at maghiling lang kamo kan sa muyang, paghiling kang sa muyang programa ko niyan at keep on watching.
Ayan, nais ko din pong i-shoutout ang mga classmates ko din po na ongoing po yung PICADC ngayon. Most especially si Aquino, si Don Kilab, si Disipolo Caniedo. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyong mga mamates ko. So ayan, di na po namin papatagalin. So ako na po yung susunod kasi si Mira, tinuturo niya ako. Ikaw na, ikaw na.
And syempre, kapag ano daw, magaling, next song na daw agad yun.
Oh?
Ayan, next, we are down po to our third song.
Thought I saw a man brought to life. He was warm, he came around like he was dignified. He showed me what it was was to cry. Well, you could have been the man I adore. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. And I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. My conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am ashamed. Lying naked on the floor. This should never change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late. I'm already torn. So I guess the fortune teller's right. Should have seen just what was there, not some holy light. But it caught beneath my brain and now, and I don't care. I have no love. I don't miss it all that much. There's just so many things that I can't touch. I'm torn. I'm out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am ashamed. Lying naked on the floor. This should never change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late. I'm already torn. Torn. There's nothing where you used to lie. My inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold, I am ashamed. I'm broken on the floor. This should never change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. I'm out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold, I am ashamed. I'm broken on the floor. You're a little late. I'm already torn. Torn. Ayan, and that was Torn by Natalie Imbruglia. Ayan, batiin po muna natin lahat po ng mga viewers po na nandito po sa ating studio. Ayan, live na nanonood. Ayan, sa ating production team, of course. Ayan, sa lahat po ng mga bago po dito sa ICDD Moms and Sirs. Ayan, of course, our chief radio production section. Ayan, si Ma'am Vicente, ma'am. Shout out po and thank you so much for being so supportive po. Ayan, sa ating audio tech, PCMS Santiago, sa ating OBS operator, Patrol Man Akad, and of course kay Sir Habonete. Ayan, sa ating scriptwriter, kay Pat Don Brosas, ayan. And of course, kay Sir Dayaw, kay Pat Gultimo na nandito din po ngayong gabi na nanonood. And of course, sa lahat po ng nanonood po ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Ayan, so let's go to our next song na po mga sirs. Ayan, alam ko po na marami pong makaka-relate dito. Love Moves in Mysterious Ways. Since ngayon ko lang po ito kakantahin kasi perfect na po. Perfect na nilang tugtugin. Hindi ko sinabing perfect ko kakantahin. Charis. Masyado po siyang mataas, so bear with my voice. Medyo ano po tayo ngayon.
would have done. This is all that pieces fit. You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe we had reasons, but I don't know what they are. So blame it on my heart. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Love appears and over the horizon. I love you, and for the rest of my days. But still, it's a mystery. Oh, however came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Heaven knows love is just a chance we take. We make plans, but love demands a leap of faith. So hold me close and never ever let me go. Even though we think we know which way the river flows, that's not the way love goes. Love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Our love appears and over the horizon. I love you, and for the rest of my days. But still, it's a mystery. Oh, how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Like the ticking of the clock towards beat as one. But I never understand the way it's done. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Our love appears over the horizon. I love you, and for the rest of my days. But still, it's a mystery. Oh, how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Love moves in mysterious ways.
Ayan, that was Love Moves in Mysterious Ways by Minya Guirado. Ayan. Sana po na-appreciate niyo po ang bagong pyesa po na hinihandog ko po sa inyo. Alam ko po marami pong may alam ng kantang yun, pero ngayon lang po namin yun natugtog. But anyways, yan, di ko na po patatagalin. Tatawagin ko po ang mga ka-butterfly. Yan, mga ka-butterfly ko, ayan, si Mira Flor and of course si Umalay. Yan. Ay, Sir, Pat Andrade and Pat Umalay po pala. Yan, I'm so sorry po. Yan, magduduet po si Sir and Ma'am.
tried it on our own, but deep inside we've known we'd be back to set things straight.
I still remember things. Your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats. Every step I'll take retreats. Every journey always brings me back to you. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all. Love's truly
This
wild.
time it's truly right.
It leads from year to year.
It changes as it goes,
And all the way it goes, but it never disappears. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all. And always just beyond my touch. You know I needed you so much. After all, what else is leaving for? Oh, after all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all. Thank you so much po.
Down to our next song.
Ang next song po natin is one of the most favorite song of our Chief PNP. A Thousand Years.
Heartbeats cross colors and promises. How do people 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to end. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved a kiss me in the night. A kiss me in the daytime. A kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Ayan, that was Kiss Me by Miss Sarah Geronimo. Ayan, gusto ko pa sir ng isang Kiss Me. Tinapos nyo naman agad. Tatlo yun, sir. Ayan, sa ating mga kawitan, suportahan po natin ang mga programa ng PNP sa mga online platforms at TV. Ayan, meron po tayong Police News Network. Araw-araw po yan, 11 a.m. to 12 noon. At meron din pong alas 3 hanggang alas 4 ng hapon. Meron din po tayong Sumbong Nyo, Aksyon Agad. Monday to Friday, alas 12:30 ng tanghali hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. Syempre, meron din po tayong Police at Your Service. Every Saturday po yan, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. ng gabi. At syempre, wag po nating kakalimutan ang PKG Online Awitan. 5 p.m. hanggang 7 p.m. po yan. Every Wednesday. Every Wednesday na lamang po ang ating PKG Online. Kaya abangan po natin at supportahan po natin ang lahat ng programa ng kapulisan. At syempre, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating next song, binabati ko po pala ang ating BFS family na pinamumunuan ng Alden Richards ng PKG, si Police Lieutenant Colonel Alden Panganiban. At syempre, ang ating DDS family na pinamumunuan ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Marlon U. Bananya. At syempre sa aking classmate na si Mate Oxiano. Ayan, syempre, sa aking team Primas, magandang gabi po. Ayan, nagta-type. Sige, batiin natin ng happy birthday ang ating Chief OMD Police Colonel Dina Colmenero. At syempre, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday po. At syempre sa ating classmate, si Patrolwoman Ivy Corporal. Ayan, happy birthday. At syempre, advance happy birthday po kay Patrolwoman Jessie Obrero. Ayan, sa mga nag-celebrate po ng kanilang kaarawan ngayong November, happy birthday po. Iba talaga si Sir Bao. Ang ating Ryan Kayabyab ng PKG. Ay, wag daw ganun. Humble talaga yan si Sir. Pero kahit nakapikit, kaya ni Sir magpiano. Di ba, Sir? Ay, may pa-ice cream. Naabutan ka po ba ng ice cream? Ano po masasabi niyo kay Ma'am Dina? Ma'am Dina, may sinasabi po si Sir De Vera. Asan daw po yung pa-ice cream? And then, nagpa-pizza si Ma'am tsaka nagpa-spaghetti. Ayan. And then, busy kasi tayo nagpa-practice, Sir. Kaya, ayan. At least nabusog ni Ma'am ang PKG family. Ayan, we are down to pang ilang songs na kaya to, sirs. Pang 20 na songs na to. Sasaluhin po ako ni Sir Andrade. I see you beside me, it's only a dream, the visions of what used to be, the laughter, the sorrow, pictures of times fading to memories. How could I ever place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn all of the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you. I needed my freedom, that's what I thought. But I was a fool to believe my heart lied while you cried rivers of tears. But I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. Now it means so much more, you know. I've tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn all of the lights, even the nights, it only reminds me of you. Only you. So come back to me. I'm down on my knees. Boy, can't you see? How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn all of the lights, even the nights, it only reminds me of you. I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn all of the lights, even the nights, it only reminds me of you. Only reminds me of
Ayan, buti lang naparaos, sir. Okay na po ba, sir? Ayan, sa ating mga kaawitan, maraming salamat po sa wala pong sawang pagsuporta po sa ating online awitan. Ayan, sana po ay nagustuhan po ninyo ang aming mga inihandang awitin. Ayan, yung mga kanta po na aming inawit, ayan po ay mga requested songs. Kaya po kung may mga gusto po kayong i-request at ipakanta po sa ating mga artist at ipatugtog sa ating mga artist, pwede po kayong mag-comment at pwede din po nyo pong i-comment kung sino man po ang gusto nyo pong batiin at babasahin po namin yan. Yan, so, magbabasa daw tayo ng mga comment. Ilang comment po ba, sir, ang pwede nating basihin? Basahin. Ayan. Happy birthday po kay Patrolwoman Corporal. Ayan, happy birthday, Ma'am Mate. Go Umalay. Lahat po mga na nagko-comment kay Patrolwoman Umalay. Ayan. Napakagaling talaga ng ating classmate. Ayan, sinuportahan ng ating mga classmates si Mate Umalay. Basahin mo yung mga comment, lahat Umalay, oh. Ang dami. Actually, in-invite talaga nila. Ayan, binantaan ni Mate Umalay. Manood kayo ng online awitan. Nakakanta ako dun, ha. Ayan, si Ma'am Valdez. Hello po, Ma'am. Ayan, sa ating mga nagko-comment dyan ng mga emoji. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong mga pa-heart dyan. Ayan, we are down to our next song.
Ayan. Ang aming next song is Top of the World. Ayan. This song is requested. Ayan. Sana po ay magustuhan po ninyo ang aming version ng kantang ito.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's true. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. On the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasant sense of happiness for me. There's only one wish on my mind. When this day is true, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. On the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. On the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
Ayan po. Atin na pong na-excite masyado si Sir Dubs. Kaya sa sobrang excited na ni Sir mag-drums, nagkanda hulog-hulog na, di ba, Sir? Ayan, so hindi na po natin patatagalin na we are down to our next song. At syempre, hindi lang po kami ang kakanta. Meron po tayong guest ulit. Dapat, Sir, hindi na guest, no? Dapat kasama na si Sir sa Pika G Artist. Di ba, Sir? Dapat kasama ka na po. Ayan, syempre, please welcome ang ating Chief Clerk ng ICDD, si Sir Robles.
Di ko man maamin, ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin.
alipin mo kahit hindi ba aaminin ko minsan ako'y mali. Sana iyong naririnig sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabi. Ayoko sa iba, sa'yo ko ay hindi magsasawa. Ano man ang iyong sabihin, mas ka na ito'y hindi ringin. Dalas man na para aso at puso, sa piling mo ako ay masaya. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi ba aaminin ko minsan ako'y mali. Sana iyong maririnig sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabi. Pilit man abutin ang mga tala, basta't sa akin ay huwag mawawala. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batin, aaminin ko minsan ako'y mali. Sana iyong naririnig sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabi. Pagkat ikaw lang ang nais matangin, malamig man o mainit ang gabi, nais ko sana parating na ikaw lang ang siyang aking iibigin. Tagal din nawalan ng gana, pinagmamasdan ang dumaraan. Lagi na lang lalo sa bigla may maramdaman. Di ka man bago sa paningin, matagal ka na nakapuntahin. Sa bawat pagtago mapigilan ang bigas na damdamin. Walang sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang babantay sa'yo. Walang sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang babantay sa'yo. Kung may darating man na umaga, gusto kita sana muli marinig. Hindi mo lang ang nakikita ko, tauhin man ang siling. Walang babantay sa'yo, maging sino man sila. Ikaw ang araw sa tagulan at sa maulap kong umaga. Walang sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang papantay sa'yo. Walang sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang papantay sa'yo, maging sino man sila. Walang sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang babantay sa'yo. Sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang babantay sa'yo, sino man sila. Walang babantay sa'yo, maging 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 sino man sila. Okay. Pwede na? Pwede na? Thank you. Okay.
Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before, but that life's a bore so full of superficial. And some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah. Some people search for a fountain, promises forever young. Some people need 3,000 roses, and that's the only way to prove your love. Hand me the worm on a silver platter, and what would it be with no one to share, with no one who truly cares for me? Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah. If I ain't got you, baby, so nothing this whole world don't mean a thing if I ain't got you with me, baby. Thank you so much. A few stolen moments is all that we share. You got your family and they need you there. Don't try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try to tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry. 'Cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said 'Cause tonight is tonight for a feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. No other woman is gonna love you more. 'Cause tonight is the night for a feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yeah, I'm saving all my love. And yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
Ayan, and that was Saving All My Love For You by our new member sa PKG Artist, yan, Pat Umalay. So, yan, next song po ay Huling Sandali by December Avenue.
Pigil ang bugso ng aking puso sa tuwing ako'y papalapit sa'yo. Maaari bang hingin ang iyong kamay? Hawakan mo at huwag mong bitawan. Hindi mapigil
Ayan, and that was Huling Sandali by December Avenue. So, ayan, hindi na po natin papatagalin. This is our last song. Tinatawagan ko na po ang aking ka-butterfly, yan, Pat Miraflor, para sa ating last song po.
At ngayon'y nag-iisa pagkatapos na wala. Bagamat nakalipas na ang mga sandali, ay nagmumuni kung ako'y nagmuli. Pinipilit mong sabihin na ito'y wala sa akin, ngunit bakit hanggang ngayon nagdurugo pa rin? Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. Sa ating gabi ay nag-iisa na lang, ay minamasdan ang larawan mo. At ngayon bumalik nang siya'y kapiling pa, alaala ng buong magdamag. Kung sakali mang isipin na ito'y wala sa akin, sana'y dinggin ang tinig kong nag-iisa pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin, ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya.
bago po tayo magtapos, nais ko pong batiin ang aming Jespo. Na live pong nanonood po
Yeah.
kanina dito. Ayan, sa aming Jespo. Yan, thanks. Jonathan De Leon, shout out po sa iyo, sir. At bago ko po makalimutan, shout out po sa aking Tala Girls. Yan, Marge, Bella, Jess, Jessica, Ika, ayan, Maika, ayan, Mariel, shout out po sa inyo. And of course, sa ating supporter from Forensic Group, ayan, Sir Jater Kitara, Sir Jater Kitara, and of course to Baby Zea. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo and happy watching. Maraming salamat sa pag-antabay po sa ating programa.
Ayan, at dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating PKG Online Awitan. Ayan, ngayong gabi muli po, kami po ang PKG Artist.
Muli, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Patrolwoman Jade Mariel Kilang.
Ako naman po si Patrolwoman Clarice Miraflor. Abangan niyo pong muli ang inyong mga PKG Artist sa susunod na episode ng ating PKG Online Awitan.
Sa bagong PNP, para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat, at nararamdaman.
Yan,
Magandang gabi po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.